Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn the body parts of our digestive system. Here we can take an example. Label the inner parts of the body. Take the help from the word bank. We have the word bank. In the word bank we have the words. It's a rectum, large intestine, food tube, pancreas, small intestine, stomach and liver. We just identify this and name the correct part. So take a look of first. Here our digestive system start with the food tube. This is a food tube. So we can take this. It's a food tube from which food is passed to the next part of body. Here, this is a triangle shape in a brown color, which is a liver. What is this? It's a liver. Okay. Then next, behind the liver and connected to the tube, it's a stomach. It's our stomach. It's a stomach. Then next part, this yellow part is our pancreas. What is it? It's a pancreas. Then it's a pink part, which is two parts. It's connected internally. It's a two parts, means small intestine and large intestine. Here it's a pink, which is a small intestine. And connected to this small intestine, in between that, it's a large intestine. Large intestine. Then the last part of our digestive system is rectum. Okay, we are identifying our digestive system start from mouth, then the food comes to the food tube, then metabolized in a liver, then goes to the stomach, and liver and pancreas is connected with this stomach. Then food is digested food is come to the intestine, from small intestine to the large intestine, and then it's a rectum. It's our digestive system parts. Hope you like the video and understood the parts of the body, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.